Hi everyone, welcome to Karthik's Tech Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your Wi-Fi password on a Windows computer using both the graphical user interface and command line methods. Let's get started. Let's use the command line method. Right-click on the Start button and select Windows Terminal or Command Prompt. Make sure to run it as an administrator. In the terminal, type the command wlan show profiles and press Enter. Type the command wlan show profile name equals your network name, t equals clear, replacing your network name with the actual network name. Define the password for a specific network. Type wlan show profile name, your network name, t equals clear, and press Enter. Look for the key content field in the output. That's your Wi-Fi password. Now you can close the terminal window. Secondly, let's use the graphical user interface to find your Wi-Fi password. Click on the Wi-Fi right tray and select the Wi-Fi which you have connected. Right-click and select Properties. And click on Wi-Fi security key. Here you can see the Wi-Fi password /. Another option is go to Control Panel. Select Network and Sharing. Click on the Connections. Click on Wireless Properties. Go to Security tab and check the box to show characters. This will allow you to view the password as administrators. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Karthik's Tech Lab for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.